Welcome you all in my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Sherikar, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry at the Sector College of Pharmacy, Varnanagar. Today we will see some introduction and theoretical part of mass spectroscopy. This mass spectroscopy, generally molecular masses are recorded, and that molecular masses which are recorded, they are sum up which is going to be equal to the molecular weight of the chemical compound. This method is generally used for identification of unknown chemical compound. Okay, and it involves the basic principle involve the determination of molecular mass. Then only the molecules which are having a positive charge, they are going to be selected for determination of molecular mass, and it involves the bombardment of a beam of electrons or energetic electrons. When we bombard a beam of energetic electrons, the molecules are ionized and broken up into many fragments, some of which are positive ions, and these positive ions are recorded. Okay, and it is called as M/E ratio or mass to charge ratio. Okay, so the mass spectroscopy generally is having two kinds of vast applications. It is used or it provides the identity of a compound by having a fragmentation pattern M/E value. Then we can establish the structure of a new compound by using mass spectroscopy, in which the exact molecular mass, presence of surface structural units can be taken into consideration. These are the steps involves in the working or basic principle of a mass spectroscopy. The first step involves bombardment of charged electrons, specifically having energy of 70 electron volt. Then after bombardment, the additional energy of electrons is dissipated in breaking the bonds in molecular ion, which undergoes fragmentation to kill several neutral or positively charged species. These fragments may result in the formation of an even electron ion or radical. The various positive ions thus formed can be accelerated, deflected by magnetic or electrical field. A number of these deflected ions or M/E values are collected on photographic plate, and the highest abundance peak is taken as a base peak, and other peaks are calculated based on abundance of a base peak. Okay, then this is a diagram of mass spectrophotometer and how ions flow. You can see there are 4 steps. One is ionization, second one is acceleration, third one is a deflection, and the fourth one is a detection. Here we have to pump a vaporized sample in this ionization chamber. In ionization chamber, it will have a cathode and anode region. Okay, then ionization will take place. The negative ions or electrons, they are going to be trapped. Okay, and the positive ions are moved ahead. This process of moving ahead is carried out by ion repellent, okay, which is present in ionization chamber. Then this acceleration of ion takes place, and while accelerating ion, this whole tube is having electromagnetic functions or electromagnetic region. Okay, the ions are bifurcated according to their masses. The heavier ions comes down, the lighter ions again goes in upward movement, and the ions which are having intermediate masses, they are went towards an amplifier or a photo recording tube or photo recording plate. Okay, this is the process which takes place in electromagnetic region is called as a deflection. Deflection of ions with respect to their masses. Okay, and this whole assembly is present in a vacuum. Okay, then on this photographic plate, it is connected with amplifier, and it is a black plate where the electrons are revolving. Okay, when one positive ion comes here, one electron will goes with one positive ion, and the deficiency of electron takes place. Okay, and the signal is produced, which is recorded in a chart record. Okay, this is what is a working of mass spectroscopy or principle behind working of a mass spectroscopy. Thank you very much.